If I had enough wealth, truly enough, I wouldn't just live comfortably. I'd use it to create ripples of change. First, I'd ensure that no one I love ever had to worry about healthcare, education, or a safe place to live. But beyond that, I'd extend that security to strangers too, because need doesn't wear a familiar face. I'd fund schools in communities where resources are scarce, not just with buildings, but with passionate teachers, technology, and programs in arts and mental health. I'd erase student debt, not for headlines, but because I believe people should be free to grow without being crushed by their past choices. I'd invest in clean energy and sustainable innovation, supporting scientists and entrepreneurs working to heal our planet. Climate change doesn't care about wealth, but those with wealth can help stop it. I'd support artists, writers, and creators, people who make us feel, think, and dream. I'd open grants for anyone with a vision, no applications required, just proof of passion. And I'd never stop giving quietly, paying off medical bills, helping families avoid eviction, funding small businesses in overlooked neighborhoods. Because real change often happens in silence, not spotlight. In the end, I wouldn't want to be remembered for what I accumulated, but for what I passed on. Because enough wealth isn't about having everything. You have enough when others finally have enough too. Wealth, used wisely, isn't a reward. It's a responsibility. And if I had it, I'd spend it like one. What would you do? Leave message in comments below.
If I had a fortune, mountains made of gold, I wouldn't build a castle, I'd help the broken grow. No more sleepless nights for those who can't afford the light. I'd turn my luck to lanterns in the dark of their long night.
I'd write off the debt of 1,000 weary dreams, fund a lab where hope cures what money can't redeem. Plant a school in every shadow where the children rarely shine, and pay the teachers double just to say, you matter, you are mine. 'Cause enough isn't full, it's when others are fed, when the weight of the world lifts from strangers' heads. It's not what I keep, it's the love that I lend. That's when I'll know I finally had enough.
I'd fly not for the views, but to learn and understand.
Bring back songs from distant lands, help them bloom back home in the sand.
Replant the forests, honor those who've always known.
The earth was never ours to own. And when I'm gone, let it be said, not that I had it all,
But that I gave what I had,
big and small.
no name on a building, no statue, no praise.
Just lives quietly, changed in unseen ways. 'Cause enough isn't full, it's when others are fed, when the weight of the world lifts from strangers' heads. It's not what I keep, it's the love that I send. That's when I'll know I finally had enough. Not for me, but for you. Enough. When the
line from this song speaks to you. If you had the means, what change would you sing about? Let's share our dreams. Music starts with a single note, and change starts with a single voice.